What's up, guys? Let's guess what chapter this is. It's the last chapter of this week. Yay! Hey. Okay. So we have learned alkene, and this one is alkyne. We got alkane, alcohol, and the total synthesis at the end. Okay. So that's gonna be the next week. So for this week, alkyne. We got, just like alkene, we'll learn about the structure of structure and reactivity, how to cook it. It's a reaction of alkyne, and then we'll close with synthesis, just like pretty much the same format here. All right, but I would like to start with right here. All right, I'm going to take you a tour to go to South America, especially this country, Colombia. All right, so we're going to go take a tour to the rainforest. It's tropical rainforest. If you get a chance to visit like any forest in Colombia, if you look to the ground, of course, it's tropical rainforest, it's wet, right? But you're going to see colorful creatures just like this. Look at the colors. We call poisonous frog. As colorful as they are, don't ever touch it, right? Anyway. So this frog is found usually in typical like tropical rainforest, maybe somewhere in America, but I know maybe Seattle, go like on that side, or to the west coast. But I don't know, but there are a lot of in South America. Okay, this frog, if you look at the color, so usually have patterns. The main colors are red. We have red, orange-ish, yellow, blue, and they got black, either stripe or dots. So this is stripe. There's a dot there. That normally stripe on their bodies. All right. But this frog is small. Like so, if you look at my finger right there, it's about my finger, just about that. Right? It's really small. But they got toxin in it. So if you look right here, so this guy is about I think he's being attacked or he's scared or something, but he's about to shoot a solution that contains this toxin, histrionicottoxin. I don't know how to say that. Anyway, if you look at the structure, you got cycloalkane, two of them, like chair conformation. This is not chair. And got two alkenes, amine, alcohol, and alkyne. That's what we're going to talk about this chapter. All right. What does this toxin do? If you get on yourself, this will happen to you. Man, you get paralyzed, right? What does it do? I'm sure you probably have familiar or have heard about central nervous system, how our body sends a signal from neuron, which is a nerve cell, neuron to neuron to neuron, right? Or we call synapses. That's how they communicate. Anyway, the communication between neuron cell is there's just a couple ways, but one way is chemical chemical communication using the receptor and a neurotransmitter, for example, acetylcholine. You probably have heard this before, all right? And the communication is happen like this. So acetylcholine is produced inside the cell, the nerve cell, the neuron, and it goes by to the receptor on the other neuron. For example, happen right here, all right? So the yellow neuron, which is neuron next to the blue one, produce acetylcholine and bind to the receptor on the blue neuron right here. Now, right here we call synapse, the gap right here. But that's where this happened, right? And but what does this guy do? This toxin, right? This toxin also small. They can also compete neurotransmitter and bind to the receptor. And when it binds, it doesn't come off. So it doesn't come off. So basically, acetylcholine and other neurotransmitter cannot bind to this receptor and stall or stop the communication between the neuron to neuron. All right. Basically, that's the neuron's going to go to the state of paralysis. So you can't move, you can't feel. All right. So that's what it works. How it works. And the local tribe extract this toxin from the frog and put on the arrow and use as a toxic like poisonous arrow. I think that's a better word. Okay. All right. That's one example of alkyne. I got a few more for you later. All right. Let's take a look right here. So classification of alkyne on the next video.